Welcome to my YouTube channel Dodon Bhattacharya. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Now we are continuing with the class 2 of computer port. As in our class 2 we are learned about PS2, serial, parallel and Ethernet port. Now in class 2 we are briefly discuss about various type of audio and video port. Audio or video port is an essential port of computer system. For output the main audio and video. At first we learn about audio port. What is audio port? Audio ports are used to connect speakers or other audio output device with the computer. The audio signals can be either analog or digital, and depending on the port and its corresponding connector differ. In briefly we are learn about surrounded sound connectors or 3.5 mm jack. It is the most commonly found audio port that can be used to connect stereo headphones or surrounded sound channel as per in shows in picture. A 6 connector system is included on majority of computer for audio out as well as microphone connection. The 6 connector are color coded as blue, lime, pink, orange, black and grey. We are repeatedly says once again, the 6 connectors are color coded as blue, lime, pink, orange, black and grey. The 6 connectors can be used for surrounded sound configuration of up to 8 channel. Now we learn about video port. As per computer system, we can divide the video port in mainly or basically 3 types. Number 1, VGA port. Number 2, digital video interface or DVI port. Number 3, mini or micro DVI port. Friends, what is video port and what is the function of video port? At first we learn about the summary or full description of VGA port. VGA port is found in many computer, projector, video card and high definition TV. It is a D-sub connector consisting of 15 pin in 3 rows. The connector is called as DE15 as shown in this picture. So VGA port is the main interface between computer and older CRT monitors. Even the modern LCD and LED monitors support VGA port, but the picture quality is reduced. VGA carries analog video signal up to resolution 648 into 480. With the increase in use of digital video, VGA port are gradually being replaced by HDMI and DisplayPort. We are learn briefly the HDMI and DisplayPort in our next session. Some laptops are equipped with onboard VGA port in order to connect external monitor or projector. The pinout of VGA port is shown as the picture. This is the detail of VGA port, where we can derive or describe which type of pin is used to which purpose. Next, friend, we are learn about digital video interface or DVI port. What do you mean by digital video interface or DVI port? DVI is a high-speed digital interface between a display controller like a computer and a display device like a monitor. It was developed with an aim of transmitting losses the digital video signals and replace the analog VGA technology. There are three types of DVI connector based on the signal it can carry. Number 1, DVI-1, number 2, DVI-D, and number 3, DVI-A. There is lots of brief description about DVI-I or DVI-D. DVI-I is a DVI port with the integrated analog and digital signal. DVI-D ports supports only digital signals and DVI-A supports only analog signal. Friends, we are repeating this line once again. There are three types of DVI connectors based on the signal it can carry. The types is DVI-I, DVI-D, and DVI-A. DVI-I is a DVI port with integrated analog and digital signals. DVI-D supports only digital signal and DVI-A supports only analog signal. The digital signal can be either single link or dual link, where a single link supports a digital signal up to 1920 into 1080 resolution, and a dual link supports a digital signal up to 2560 into 1600 resolution. The following sets of DVI-I, D or A types of pinout can be varied and verified in our picture. Next, we are learn about mini DVI. Mini or micro DVI is now essential for operating the laptop with computer, monitor or projector. Mini DVI port is developed by Apple as an alternative to mini VGA port and is physically similar to one. It is smaller than the regular DVI port. It is a 32-pin port and is capable of transmitting DVI, composite, S-video and VGA signals with respective adapters. The following image shows the mini DVI port and compatible cable. Friends, in mini DVI also we are used micro DVI in our laptop. Micro DVI port, as name suggested, is physically smaller than mini DVI and is capable of transmitting only digital signal. The port can be connected to external device with DVI and VGA interface. Respective adapter are required. In the following, we learn about mini and micro DVI port. Always remember, a micro DVI port can be seen adjacent to headphone and USB port. Friend, now in this class we learn about display port. What do you mean by display port and what is display port? Friend, display port is a digital display interface with optional multiple channel audio and other forms of data. Display port is developed with an aim of replacing VGA and DVI port as a main interface between a computer and monitor. The latest version DisplayPort 1.3 can handle a resolution of 7680 into 4320. The DisplayPort has a 20-pin connector. We learned about this type of DisplayPort. The DisplayPort has 20-pin connector, which is a very less number when compared to DVI port and offer better resolution. The pinout diagram of DisplayPort is shown in our video, and each and every pin and their function and description are shown as below. Friend, in these classes we are learn about various type of audio and video port. In the memorization of the computer port, we are learn in these classes audio port, video port and video ports is and their types, VGA port, digital video interface DVI and mini DVI port or micro DVI port. We are briefly describe VGA port, detail of VGA port and its pin channel, and we learn about DVI. There is three type of DVI: DVI I, A or D. We also learn about mini and micro DVI, and in the last of these classes we learn a DisplayPort, and DisplayPort is 20-pin port, and we learn also what is the function of each and every pin. Friends, in next class we are learn about USB, HDMI, RJ15, RJ11, SATA or reconnector and etc. or detail of this type of ports in our describe in our next classes. This data source compiled by Dodon Bhattacharya. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Follow our next class for description of computer port. Thank you.